Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So, class 5 today we are going to start the new chapter connectors from English grammar. So, let's begin the class. What is connector? A connector is a word which joins two words, phrases, clause, or sentence. A connector is also called a conjunction. What is meaning of conjunction? Conjunction is known as the joining words. We can say the conjunction is called as joining words. So a connector is a word which joins two words. Means where we are joining two words or two sentences, phrases, two clauses or sentences. A connector is also called a conjunction. The same word can be an adverb in one place. The same word can be an adverb in one place, a preposition in another, and a connector in yet another. So I have seen this place before. So here this before is adverb. Now here I reached there before evening. Now in this sentence this before is used as a preposition. I reached there before you came. I reached there before you came means before. Here it is mentioned as connector. Now here we will deal with coordinating connectors with some common coordinating connectors are and, only, for, besides, however, but, also, or, whereas, otherwise, yet, hence, nor, therefore, as well as. Here these words are very common. These words are very common coordinating connectors. But today we will go further another some new words. Coordinating connectors join words, phrases, clauses or sentences of equal rank as noun with noun. Mohan as well as Sohan came to my house. Mohan as well as. Here Mohan as well as, sorry, here one more time I'll mention this one. Mohan as well as Sohan came to my house. Here this Mohan as well as means Mohan and Sohan both came to my house, as well as his coordinating connectors. Verb with verb, they worked and played together. They worked and played together. Here this is a verb, this is a verb. They worked and played together. This is the verb with verb. Adjective with adjective, he is sad but hopeful. Adjective with adjective, he is sad but hopeful. This but as a coordinating connectors. Adverb with adverb, he spoke loudly and clearly. This and is using as an coordinating connectors. Phrase with phrase, he met me in the market and again at the station. He met me in the market. This and is using as coordinating connectors. Sentence with sentence, he worked hard yet he failed. He worked hard. This yet is working as an coordinating connectors. Now we'll go for the next page. Here see, test yourself. I'll show some examples. He is slow but steady. Put out the conjunction in each sentence. So here the conjunction is but. Next question, keep quiet or get out of here. So in this sentence, which one will be a conjunction or? Ramu is poor yet he is honest. Here which one will be yet? So like this you have to find it out. Which word is connector? And which first you have to find out from here which one is conjunction from here. And then you have to go for the next question. Join each pair of the following sentences using a suitable conjunction from the box below. So this will be your homework. It is very easy. Try to do it. If you got any problem regarding these questions, please ask me. Okay. Now next one, number 2. Join each pair of the following sentences using a suitable conjunction from the box below. So these are the conjunctions. From here you have to find out which one is suitable to sit over in the middle. So she was ill. She did not come. So she was ill. She did not come. Here which word will be suitable for you to sit? I will not tell you the answer, but just you find it. If you got any type of problem, just ask me through your WhatsApp. Okay. Now he did not work hard. He failed. Anu came early, Bunny came late. Tell me the truth, I will punish you. In that story true? Is that story true? Is that story false? Means here two questions. You have to join something over here. Ravi ran fast. He couldn't win the race. Amit can read English. Amit can write English. Ria participated in the drama. Tia participated in the dance. So you have to find out the conjunction words or coordinating suitable conjunction from the box below. So this also will be your homework. Now next, fill in the blanks choosing the right sentence connectors. Though Ram is my classmate, dash he does not help me. Though Ram is my classmate, dash he does not help me. So which word from here, but or yet, which word will sit over here? You have to find it out. It was the last train, dash I managed to get a berth. It was the last train, dash I managed to get the berth. So you have to find it from here. Be just dash, fear not. I ran fast, dash I missed the train. He fled, dash he was afraid. Ramu is poor, dash he is honest. From here you have to find the answers. Which one will be suitable for you to for these boxes. Okay. Make haste, dash you will be late. Take a lamp, dash the night is dark. He bought a radio. He loves music. They went to the market. Dash did something shopping. So from here you have to find it out. I hope you can do it easily. If you got any problem, just ask me through your WhatsApp. Okay, now next question you see. Combine each pair of the following sentences with suitable conjunction. So combine from here are the some words, here are some words. This word you have to join with this word with particularly you have to find which word is suitable for it. Suppose Manu reads for exam pleasure. Manu reads for pleasure. So from here which word is suitable for him? For it you have to match it. So from here which one is? You have to find it out. Okay. So first you do these three. Okay. These three. 1, 2, 3. These three will be your homework. Okay. So I hope you have understand and you will complete your homework. So thank you very much.